wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best hot stone heaters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. With the elegant amber products, you simply set the desired temperature and the rocks will be hot and ready when needed. Although this kit does come with both stones and oil, the price tag is pretty high, and it isn't made of stainless steel like most of its competitors. It comes with a clear lid for easy visibility and doesn't create much ambient heat, but the housing feels a little flimsy. At number 8, the NRG analog may look somewhat industrial, but it does come in at a budget-friendly price, so you'll have a little extra cash left over to buy a plant or other decoration to disguise it. An indicator light on the front lets you know when it's ready to use. It's got a wide and stable stance, however the operating temperature range is narrow and the exterior gets very hot. Coming in at number 7 on our list, with its convenient digital display and large handle on the lid, the Master Massage has a user-friendly design to make hot stone massage therapy hassle-free. You simply fill its bowl with cold water and adjust the temperature as needed for your treatment. It can be set in Fahrenheit or Celsius and is available in 2 sizes, both with a stainless steel reservoir. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hot stone heaters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Nesco Spa Pro has a durable stainless steel exterior and features a removable non-stick water reservoir, both of which make it easy to clean after each use. The temperature is simple to control via a basic rotating knob. This one's approved for commercial use and runs on a standard 110-volt outlet. However, the lid tends to rust. Moving up our list to number 5, the TIR Complete Kit comes with 40 rocks, a 6-quart heater, an instructional DVD, and accessories to get you started. There are 4 distinct stone sizes, with each one having gone through a proprietary treatment process for the perfect smoothness. It features a brightly backlit display and an integrated timer. It's made by an American-based company. At number 4, the Amethyst Lake Professional is a convenient option for the traveling masseuse. It does double duty as both a heater and a carrying case, making for very easy transport. The included rocks retain their warmth for a long time for the utmost effectiveness. It has a total weight of roughly 5 pounds and comes with an e-book of techniques and a silk pouch. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. With a sleek all-white exterior, the Devlon Northwest is one of the nicest looking units available, so you won't feel the need to hide it away where your clients can't see it. It features a digital temperature display for precise adjustments. It's good for salon and home use, and the plastic lid can be removed silently. It can also be used to heat towels. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hot stone heaters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, well suited for professional use, the Sivan Health and Fitness 18 QHTR features a removable water reservoir that makes for easy filling and cleaning. It also has large side handles to avoid any burns if you need to move the unit around when in use. It boasts an impressive 100 stone capacity and a high temperature preheat setting. It includes a bamboo scoop. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Royal Massage Clamshell is a lightweight and portable way to heat up to 24 small or 10 large stones in about 10 minutes. It reaches a maximum temperature of 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and the exterior always stays cool to the touch. It comes with dual steel heating elements and 12 high-quality rocks. This one doesn't require water. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hot stone heaters, or simply click beneath this video.